I was just thinking that all the grief I had when I first got a hammock, not knowing anything about them, that this is how I put away the pop-up hammock. Bearing in mind, mine's a bit more difficult because I've got an extra hammock attached to it. But what you basically do is going to go into the bag there, it's attached to it. Take these things, so they're both, your hoops, metal things, are the same. Find the midway point, and then bend them in half. Loop it around. Don't bend it too hard because they'll snap, or you'll weaken the metal. So you're looping it around, and again looping it around. So you're basically creating that kind of a shape. Yeah. Like an anus on a cat. You then try and find your little bag. Don't squish it too much because it'll bend and it'll break. And you wiggle that into the hole. Put your nice shiny bright thing into the nice black hole and just wiggle it in. It does fit. Think about this Chinese stuff, it does actually, the bags are big enough for it to go in. And that's it, that's in. Now all you've got to do, keeping it off the ground of course, and away from sharp twigs, and just wiggle it into the bag. It's easier if you actually hook it onto a tree or a line or something. That keeps it off the ground most of the time. And then you just basically shove it in the hole. Give it a shake, make sure there's no twigs or bugs. The main thing to worry about is not bending your metal pop-up frame thing too much. If you bend it too much, it'll break. It's easy to replace. It's literally like the underwire I used to get in brass, back when brass used to work. Last thing I put in are the metal hooks, because they're the heaviest bit. And just wedge it in there. Now I can actually get, without damaging it, both hammocks in the one bag. It's gonna rain now, isn't it? Wanker. Got to bear in mind, I'm also blind as a bat without my glasses. And I only wear glasses around the house really. Shooting, whether it's catapults or guns or jippos, or riding a bike, perfect eyesight. So that's in there. Right, that's two hammocks in the one hammock bag. Make sure you keep it so it's not got any angles, so it's nice and curved.